This is Satya Pradyuman of Cirrus Research. Our latest Outlook report, the dispatch, is out. The title, Shortening Portfolio Duration as the Iran War Lengthens. At the heart of this equity strategy is this idea that we've got to play defense because this is such a fat-tailed moment. As oil prices spike and there's less certainty of an end, really, to the Iran conflict. This risk appetite reading, we've really flip-flopped in the last 6 months from climbing to the most extremes, which really created the fallout in the fall, to this point where we're now starting to see investors reverse course. Importantly, though, in this reading is that the risk appetites have begun to decay, but as you can see, we're far from, let's say, defensive levels. In other words, the longer this Iran war continues, we're likely to see the investment community become more and more defensive. From what this reading shows, there's plenty of room to get more defensive from where we sit. Importantly, in terms of positioning between crowding and risk appetites, what we've gone is from extreme optimism, and now we're starting to fade the current leadership. As we're getting to this area, value and quality factors continue to lead. From a portfolio strategy standpoint, this is very consistent with our current portfolios, that if we're running a growth basket, what we're going to do is lean towards our quality growth bias, our quality growth model. On the value side, we don't really have a choice here for chasing deep cyclicals. As a result, the quality value blend will likely outperform as well. In terms of the real world, sort of like taking over from this AI dominated world, as you could see, the energy sector, the material sectors, they've generally led as we continue to see some of the old leadership in AI continue to falter, as well as other credit positions. We don't think this is going to change a whole lot given this sort of war overhang. So, what this will likely do is continue to push us towards a lower duration portfolio. With any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.